Okay, we're going to start number 18 from our practice final exam. The manager of the company that you work for reports that the national average for the yearly salary of people doing your job is between $30,320 and $36,108. He says that there is a degree of confidence of 0.95 in these figures. Which of the following is true? Now this is a type of problem that just comes down to, do you understand the definition of a confidence interval, which this is. There's a 0.95 probability that this is the key word in this one, your salary is in this range. This has nothing to do with a confidence interval. A confidence interval is a range that is an estimate of what the mean salary of the entire population is. Okay, so that means, let me do this. 30,320 less than or equal to population mean less than or equal to 36,108. So this interval has absolutely nothing to do with individual salaries. It's only an estimate for the population mean. So that when you read A, 0.95 probability that your salary is in here is false. It has nothing to do with individual salaries. There is a 0.05 probability that your salary is not in the range. Again, false. The figures represent a point estimate. A point estimate is an estimate of the mean, like an actual one single number, which this is not. This is a range, so this is not it. There's a 0.95 probability that the average salary for workers in the country, population, doing your job is actually lies in this interval. This is exactly what we're looking for. The average salary for workers in the country, that's the population, that it's a 0.95 probability that 0.95 probability that the population's salary mean is in that interval. That's exactly what we were looking for. The population is the workers in your company. This is false, a little tricky, but if you come back up here, it says the company you work for reports that the national average for the yearly salary of people doing your job. Now, it doesn't mean people doing your job in your company. It means nationally, all the people in the entire country doing your job. So the population is not your company, but everybody that has your job. So anyways, the answer to 18 is D.